Assalamualaikum viewer, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a fan speed control regulator or how to repair the damaged regulator. For make a voltage regulator we need these components: a triac BT136, a polyester capacitor 140K and 400 voltage, a diac DB3, a resistor 10 kilo ohm, a variable resistor or others called potentiometer. Basically, we are control our ceiling fan speed by vary the voltage. So now I am going to show you the circuit diagram how to make a fan speed control regulator.